All right, so we've talked about land, we've talked about houses, we've talked about fix and flips, we've talked about the RIA. Let's talk about commercial property. All right, I'm talking about apartments here. And my first deal actually came off Craigslist. It was a for sale by owner listing that was on Craigslist. The sellers were in Florida. The property was in Hamlin County in Morristown, Tennessee. And I found it. They were asking $125,000 for a triplex. Now, anything less than 4 units is still technically residential, but because there was multifamilies involved, it could also go commercial. It's not exactly commercial, but it's a commercial real estate deal. It's a zoned residential, but multifamilies of 5 or more makes it actually commercial. And this was my first multifamily deal. Maybe, yeah, let's call it my first multifamily deal. So they had this house on Craigslist, this property on Craigslist, and it's a triplex. So there's 3 units, 3 families, 3 meters, 3 driveways, 3 mailboxes. It's a triplex, okay, 3. And they were wanting $125,000 for it. And my husband and I were going through, he's my boyfriend at the time, we were going through some apartment training, and we were able to offer these people $125,000 with owner financing. They just didn't want to deal with the tenants anymore. They lived in Florida. They didn't want to worry about what was going on in Tennessee. They were completely under market rent. They were only getting like $450 a month for each unit. And what we were learning in real estate school, in apartment school, was that we could get more than that for these properties. But we also love creative financing. I told you about my owner finance deal, so I was wanting not to pay any money for this. And we gave them what they were asking, $125,000, owner financing for 10 years. We were going to make the payment and just take it over because they owned it free and clear. Well, they loved that until the husband went golfing one day and came back from a golf trip and said, hey, we just need cash on this deal. And so the wife called us and said, hey, turns out we need cash. So we offered them, I think, $88,000 in cash for this triplex. That was bringing in $450 a month times 3, $1,300. And they accepted $88,000. And we were able to close on it. I think tax, tag, and title, we were all in, all done for about $92,000, which, y'all, I buy houses for more than $92,000 that only brings in 1 $800 check. So I was going to be bringing in 3 $450 checks on less money. And yes, I had to go to the bank to get that deal, but this just shows you that deals are out there. Slam dunk deals, all right? People in different parts of Knoxville will pay $150,000 for a triplex. I was on the outskirts in my honey hole, which I'll tell you about a honey hole in First Sold and Fast, and I was able to get a really, really great deal that made a ton of passive income. We were able to raise the rent on all these units to $750 a month. So now it brings in $750, $1,450, $2,100 every single month. We went from what, $1,100, $1,200, almost double, just by raising the rent on this triplex in Morristown, Tennessee. And you can do these deals. So I had a house paid off free and clear. I borrowed against that house to get the money to put down to pay the bank so I could buy this triplex. These real estate deals all work together. I want you to get started. That's what I'm going to teach you. Not really commercial deals, not really multifamily, but I'm going to teach you how to get started and get these house deals done in First Deal Done Fast. I got one more video for you, and it's coming up. It's all about how you can do money deals. Okay, so if you're ready to be a private money lender, look for the next video.